Want to make viral AI music videos like Burning Dust without fancy gear or editing skills? Today, I'll show you how to create hypnotic, festival-style videos using just AI tools. No budget, no problem. So what makes Burning Dust videos so ridiculously cool? If you haven't seen them yet, you're seriously depriving your eyes. These videos are like a digital daydream. Think glowing AI characters, trippy desert landscapes, and that wild Burning Man energy, all perfectly dancing to hypnotic beats. Everything moves with the music, the transitions, the camera zooms, even the subtle little flickers. It's like the visuals are vibing to the track just as hard as you are. And no, you don't need to be some editing wizard or own a NASA computer to make this kind of magic happen. You can start with zero skills and still get results that make people say, "Wait, you made that?" Take a moment, yes, a whole 30 seconds, and check out Burning Dust's EDM Mix 2025. Watch how every beat feels alive. Trust me, it'll make what we're about to do way more exciting. Alright, let's talk tools, the digital magic wand kit that's going to help you pull off your very own Burning Dust style masterpiece. First up, you'll need Suno AI. Then there's Midjourney or CG Dreams, your go-to for crafting those surreal, dreamy visuals. Now, here's where it gets spicy. Kling AI. This bad boy animates your images and basically brings them to life. It's like giving your pictures a pulse. And once all your visuals are vibing, we'll wrap it all up using CapCut, the simplest way to stitch everything together into a slick, scroll-stopping video. The cherry on top? Most of these tools are either free or offer enough trial credits to get your first video done without spending a dime. Yup, your wallet can stay napping while you start building your viral AI music empire. And hey, while you're watching this, go ahead and pop open a few tabs to sign up for these tools. Takes like 2 minutes tops, and all you need is an email. Alright, so you want to create a mind-blowing AI music video, right? Let's get into it. First things first, you need a killer track to set the mood. Think of something with energy, a beat that makes you want to jump around like you've had one too many coffees. If you want that festival vibe, head over to Suno AI. They're giving out free credits like candy right now, so no excuse not to try it. Once you're in, just hit Create New and pick electronic or EDM to get that hype energy. Here's a little prompt magic for you. Energetic electronic dance music with a big build-up and a filthy drop. Festival atmosphere, hypnotic trance vibes. Let the AI do its thing for a minute. If it doesn't make your foot tap immediately, tweak the prompt. Maybe add deep bass or spacey melodies. Feel free to make a few versions. Sometimes the AI surprises you with a hidden gem. Now, while the music is brewing, you want to start thinking about visuals. Because what's a great track without some eye candy? Midjourney is where you want to be for that. It's an AI art generator that can turn words into stunning images. To get started, you'll need Discord. I know, sounds intimidating if you're not a gamer, but trust me, it's easy and you don't have to chat with anyone. Once you're in a Midjourney newbies channel, try typing something like Burning Man festival scene, glowing electronic crowd, desert at sunset, surreal lights, futuristic characters, vibrant colors, cinematic, wide angle. Give it a minute, and you'll get some images that look like a wild futuristic party in the desert. Try a few variations, maybe golden hour festival with laser lights, or night rave with neon glow dancers. You want to keep the vibe consistent, like you're crafting scenes from the same electric dream. Alright, now the cool part, bringing your images to life. Static pictures are old news. With Kling AI, you can animate those Midjourney images, turning them into moving scenes that feel like they're straight out of a sci-fi rave movie. Just upload your image to Kling AI and type a motion prompt like camera panning slowly through a festival crowd, characters swaying to music, glowing particles in the air, lasers moving to the beat. Upload your music or one of those stems to sync the motion to the audio. Play around with the smoothness and strength until it feels natural. Start with a 10-second clip and see how it looks. If you like it, do the same with other images, and soon you'll have short clips that make your AI festival dream come alive. But you want those transitions between scenes to hit like the drop in your track, right? Kling AI has a nifty feature called N-Frame that morphs one image into another. Find two images that vibe together, like a calm desert scene turning into a wild neon party, and tell Kling AI, morphing transformation, energy pulse, lights flaring with beat. Match it with your music's beat drop, and suddenly, your video has those jaw-dropping transitions that keep viewers hooked. Now, if you're wondering about lip sync, yep, Kling AI's got that too. If your track has vocals or you want your characters to say something before the beat drops, you can animate their lips. Make a high-res face image in Midjourney, upload it, and drop your audio or type in the words. The AI will make the lips move in sync. It's not perfect Pixar-level stuff, but it's pretty impressive and adds a cool touch. Last but definitely not least, you need a place to put all these pieces together. CapCut is the way to go. It's free, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. Import your clips, arrange them to flow with the music, add some quick cuts or smooth fades for those beat drops, and don't forget to zoom or pan a little to keep things dynamic. Oh, and color grading. Think of it as the Instagram filter for your video. Warm tones, cool blues, whatever fits the vibe you're going for. It pulls everything together and makes your video look polished. Once you've got your masterpiece ready, remember, the key to virality is consistency. Keep your visuals in a similar style so people recognize your content instantly. Time everything perfectly with the music. And even if there's no obvious story, make your video feel like a journey. The first few seconds, they're like your trailer. Make them count. And hey, don't forget about your channel branding, catchy names, thumbnails that pop, and titles that make people curious. AI is powerful, but good branding is the secret weapon. So there you have it, your full guide to making viral AI music videos that look and sound like a futuristic desert rave. Go on, give it a shot. You might just make the next big thing everyone's talking about. Now, before you dive in head first, here's the real deal from someone who started with zero clue and definitely learned a few things the hard way. For starters, keep your videos short at first, like 1 to 2 minutes. Don't try to make a full-on blockbuster right away. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you don't get overwhelmed. Also, when you're making your visuals, use some reference images. It's like picking clothes for an outfit. Keep everything matching so your video looks like it belongs together, not like a messy closet explosion. Now, it's your turn to give it a shot. I seriously can't wait to see what you come up with. When you make your first AI music video, drop the link in the comments so we can all check it out and hype each other up. Oh, and before you forget, open up Suno. Alright, right now, start making that track while you remember how it all works. If you like this guide, smash that like button, subscribe for more cool AI creative stuff, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video.